Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So today I'm driving along the road leading to the airport in Abia State, the airport that is already under construction. So I am in Umuahia. The airport is just some minutes away from Umuahia. So this is the road from Isi Court when you are heading to Amakama, you understand? So this is the road that will lead you to the airport. Now this road is also under construction. So if you are going to the airport from Umuahia and you get to Isi Court, just ask them the road leading you to Amakama, and this is the road. As you can see, there is construction already going here little by little. You can see the drainage that is being constructed already. So this road straight, just keep going straight, you will get to Nsulu. This is where the airport is located in Abia State, where the airport is under construction. It's located in Nsulu, just some minutes away from Umuahia. So you can see the drainage, you can see the construction of gutters, as they call them, and you can see the road is actually not that wide. You can see heaps of sands, gravel, and the rest of them. Work is actually going on here, you can see by yourself. So I'm going to take you down to the airport. Abi, just watch and we'll see if we go reach the airport. But this is the road leading to the airport, you understand? And in this video, I have two videos joined in this particular one that you are watching. I'm also going to show you how far work has been going, or how far work is done, or how far work has come, in Bank Road, Umuahia. So just watch this video down to the end. Like I said, there are two videos. So now I'm taking you guys now to Bank Road, and this is Isi Gate, Umuahia. From Isi Gate, we'll be passing Cooperative, and then we'll get to Bank Road. Stay tuned, watch this video down to the end, and tell me what you see in the comment section. As you can see, that is our traffic light. We just passed it. Okay, it was installed sometime this year. We didn't used to have traffic lights around this side in Umuahia, but we now have it now in Umuahia. It's a good thing. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, like my video, share my video. If you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making out chance, always making out time in your tight schedule to watch my video. So like I said, we are heading to Bank Road. So this is around Cooperative, Umuahia. And this thing you are seeing, is it the barrier that is used to demarcate the road? It was built sometime or constructed sometime this year also. I believe that all these areas, I think their work is going to go on here as time goes on. So we'll be this is Bank Road now. Okay, this is Bank Road, and you can see the extent at which work has been done here, and work is still going on here every day. Like anytime you pass here, you can see men at work. You can see them over there. Yes, they are constructing the drainage there, and you can see the cement tunnel or whatever it's called. And we are very close to government. I'll just keep going down now. You can see the thickness of this drainage. The thickness is applaudable. Now we are very close to Bank Road. I say Bank Road, sorry, we are very close to Government House. The fence you are seeing here now, this is Government House. Though we have a new one, but this is Government House. This is the Government House that is along Bank Road in Umuahia. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.